Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about how to change the image while clicking some button or something. So what I have done, I've just put one image here. Okay, image, this is source, and this is I give ID to this. Okay, now in while clicking button, this function get called. So this function is defined here. So what we are doing, document, I'm getting the element by ID and image, and I'm changing the source of the image to another image. Okay, so that way this email will get changed. So let's run this program. So this image get loaded. Now hit okay, this, so that way you can change the image also. Okay, thank you.